Before I hit 15, I already had a kill. Get off feet down stretch, niggas, y'all know the drill. Let me put the perk in your buddy and tell me how I feel. Last time I was my son, you know what to do. When I come home, I'm standing over the I know Quinn got PTSD from that button. Check the stats, but my niggas really need something. If it's some months he been dead, them niggas don't need nothing. And why niggas bapping like they took my chain? A nigga reach for this, he go back. These two fucking little niggas dissing. He was just here, and that little nigga missing. Now they on the news talking about how that nigga innocent. These niggas so loose, I catch them lacking on Instagram. He don't even know he was got himself in the gym. Now we killing him. 7'6'2", beat that nigga chest in. Yo, like for now, y'all gonna laugh when we catch him. I remember spinning out of cars we slept in.
Huh?
Yeah, okay. That dream like shit with no nightmares where I felt that. Watching four niggas get slurred to a death trap. Nigga ran up on my waist where that belt at. Gave a nigga wings just to send right where hell at. I could have been in it, niggas. Nigga, I was trying to be cool. 7'6'2" when I see dude. Last nigga that I stood over, I ain't lead clues. Per Buzz got his ass beat till I'm free choose. J-Bo nigga wasn't true tools. How you switch games? He ain't shot a gun since they stood over his name that you claim, that's a bad word. You wanna fuck with Haiti, but we know got your dad took. You ain't claim no slow till a slow got his ass cooked. 1 body, 2 body, 3 body, 4, yeah. Now that's right, nigga. We tired of hearing about that shit with the tribe, niggas. It's the life, nigga. Tato got the call right before we fry, niggas.
On. Ten. Come on. Let's go, y'all. Fix it out. Let's go. Talk it out. Come on, fix it up, dude. Hey, we're still here, though, okay? We're still here. Let's go. Out. Yeah. Use it, one ball. Roll. Come on, let's go, come on. Cover. Let's go, y'all. Let go. Romeo. Hey, we push. Hey, stand front. Watch your dip.
Push him off.
Hey, this side out, we side out. Sit. Yeah, go! Come on. Outside, y'all. Let's push. Let's go, boys. We got push here. All right, boys, right here, boys. Let's go. Yeah. Let's push. Yeah. Good. Come on! Hey! Nice. That side out ball. Why are you playing here? Yeah. Right here, baby. Let's push. Let's go, Craig. Let's go, come on. Let's get one first. We need one first. Top. Hey! Come on. Let's go.
Well, I'll put hits, you're going in, okay? Let's actually stay back.
Nice. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Hey, push the point. Let's go. Right, don't jump too early on that side. Don't jump too early. That's point. Use it. Let's go. Get up, Ryan. Get up. Let's go. We side out. Come on, sir. Don't serve. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Go. Let's go, Romeo. Go, Romeo. Come on, somebody has to get it. Let's go. Turn. Come on, John. No. It's good, it's good, it's good. Let's go, come on.
Go higher, Ryan.
Good. Hey, all right, Tom. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Hey, cover up, cover up. It's in. Let's go! Come on! Let's go, Caleb. This is where we go. Good touch! Let's go, George!
Great touch! This way! This way! Hey, don't let him get to you though, okay? Keep going up the fight. Let's go, let's fight, let's go. Stand up! You got it? Nice. That's bad, Bill. That's a good pass. Hand. Oh, damn.
10.
That's bad. All right, come on, boy. Yeah! Let's go! Split hit! Oh, no!
Hey, it's not over. Come on.
We got it.
Let's go. It's not over. Keep fighting. Hey, set front. Hey, set front. Okay?
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Come on, 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go, B.
Jerk me that. Go from my boy.
Still okay? Watch it.
Gotta go on those.
Yeah, just like.
Ready? Watch the key.
Hey, a couple more. Let's go. Way to be up there, Ryan.
Keep
Keep
going,
fighting,
keep
guys.
up,
Keep fighting.
Ryan.
Hey, set front. Watch the tip.
Watch the deep tip, okay?
Hand it, yes! Let's go!
Oh, yeah!
Yep.
D. Come on! It's good! Easy.
Nice.
Reach. Let's go, Jer. Easy serve.
You got this.
Let's go, Jer. Let's go. Oh, it's not over. Next on, Romeo. Let's go, John.
Play hard, play hard.
Good energy, bro. Nice serve, bro. Go. Oh, swing that. Good on, ball. Let's go.
Oh, good spot, good spot.
Easy.
Go.
He's not done, he's not done. Hey, he's not done, let's go.
Let's go, Kane. We're not flush. We're stuck.
Stay cheating, King.
Watch your chest.
Hey, King, watch out.
Let's go.
Easy, go.
Stop.
Hey, hold it. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, Axel.
One side out.
Easy. Let's go, Tom. This way, Tom.
Let's go, guys. I don't even know. Come on, guys, let's go.
We're still here.
Go.
Back.
Outside, watch out.
We know we can side out.
Nice.
Go, King.
David, press up.
Around.
Let's go, right? Come on, Jeff.
Go!
What the hell? My hop out.
We can't convert, that's it. We need to convert.
Ryan cái sai thì cái ball nó ra cái ball này do thế này chết thế.
Hey, we know we can side out. Let's keep doing it, okay?
Jin!
Press over, David.
You're off.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Go.